Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by verifying physical and permission basics. Plug in your headset or test speakers. If you hear system sound, the hardware is fine. Then, open your browser and confirm microphone and camera permissions. Without them, Meet cannot access audio. Once done, join the Meet lobby and pick the correct microphone and speaker from the device menu. This ensures the app uses the right hardware. Make sure system volume levels are reasonable so Meet can pick up a clear, undistorted signal. Now handle software settings that commonly block clean audio. Open your OS sound control panel and set the microphone sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz. Mismatched formats create glitches. Disable exclusive mode so other apps don't lock the device, and close apps that might use the mic, like recording tools or other conferencing software. If the device still shows incorrectly, update or reinstall the audio driver. This resolves many recognition problems. After changes, restart the browser to make sure Meet picks up the new configuration. Finish by validating in meeting tools and isolating variables. Use the Meet microphone test and enable closed captions briefly to confirm your voice is detected and transcribed. This tells you how clear audio is. If you still have issues, open Meet in an incognito window or switch browsers. Extensions often interfere. As a final troubleshooting tip, reboot the computer and test the mic with a simple recorder app. If the recorder fails, the issue is system level, not Meet, so you'll need to address drivers or hardware next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.